attack, attack, attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Attack. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
So for sell my viewers and subscribers, big up. You don't know the thing going. You don't know it's a New Link there, and from New Link production, and we say attack. You know, people fix a shirt New Link. Make the people them say the attack. Okay, fix straight New Link. Okay, well now my viewers and subscribers, news are reached to New Link now, people. Say 5 robber. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link was captured in a Manchester, people, after committing a robbery at a bar. Well, people, it is said that on Sunday, August 16, in a place in a Porus in a Manchester, sometime after 8 in the night, people, patrons was at a bar, including bartender and everybody, when a car pull up, people. It is said that 5 men come inside the bar, people, you understand, with them gun and thing, and start demand money, demand cell phone, demand jewelry from everybody them seen at the bar. It is said that the 5 men come to boom, take what they want, people. They commit no shooting or nothing like that. Go in a under car with outside people and make them move. 5 of them. Luckily, a police was inside here, people, and this policeman comes to boom and make a call. You understand? 2. You know what I mean? If a police there upon the other road can see the end where the car go, people. And it said that the police them up so comes to boom now one corner and set up them traps and everything. And while this car come on, people, them comes to boom and corner him up. Stop him. 5 men from this car, people. And they found all of the stuff for them. Take the money, the jewelry, the cell phone, everything. And these 5 men. When them do them check, people, all these men are young men between the age of 22 and 28 years old. And when them comes to boom and do the address check, people, all of these men address are from Kingston and St. Andrew. And you saw them, the people, we are up in a Manchester, they so gonna commit that the robbery and escape to make it from Manchester and go back in a Kingston with them on the car. Just to show you how the thing set up right now. The man them left way up so, you know, and go up so. But them lucky still. Them really lucky. Can anyone who link us say? We could have heard the news say, you know, 5 gunmen was shot and killed after trying to commit robbery by a licensed firearm holder or a half-duty police. We hear that several times, not true, people? But we tell us them when they're lucky, them bite it and pass it. Which now people are going to say, New Link, boy, I'm sorry they didn't get slapped out in a New Link. New Link, I'm sorry they didn't get bust out, you know. But here I go on the people. Just season, he knows what's best. The youth them need to make some change in them lifestyle. You could have used 5 you dash way and fling away like a dog. Because of what? Maybe some little stainless chain. Because nobody not really wear them gold go out again in Jamaica, people. Maybe one little wash over. One little phone. What kind of phone do I take now? One little Galaxy. No high grade one. Zine. How much money on you get so? 150G. How much on it? 5 on it? What that can do? Seriously, what that can do? No one go prison sentence because police find gun pan them on them people. Them find the stolen item them people. Zine, where them get the car? Me didn't get that update there, if a stolen car. But all me can tell the people, the youth them need to make some change. Not joking. Say now the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link, you know, from New Link Production, and now we say attack. Now just blessings to the people and respect and be good and be great. The attacking boss is here. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Youth, make some change, the man. Sure, y'all the dogs them a bark. Them fire the rooster and start bark. You hear that? All around the place, so attack.